Check out our newest feature release. We now have Conversation AI Bot available within your Google Business Profile chats. So, what is this new feature all about? Well, now your AI bot can engage in real time conversations with customers directly through Google My Business chat interface. This is going to enhance your business's communication capabilities. So, why this matters and how it's going to help you. Now, with this new feature update, you're going to be able to seamlessly and instantly engage customers effortlessly through Google's GMB chat feature. This feature is going to empower your AI bot to respond instantly to customer queries, bookings, and service inquiries. Even better, this is an easy setup and it's going to be easy to get started. So let me show you exactly where to start. I'm going to first have you head to Settings in the left-hand navigation menu at the bottom. Now we're going to go ahead and click on the Conversation AI. And when that upper navigation opens up, you want to click on your bot settings. Now you're going to select a channel to utilize on autopilot. So make sure to turn on autopilot mode and then select the channel and save. Now let's go ahead and go back to settings. Again, this is in your main menu on the left-hand navigation. From there, you're going to go to the integrations that open up within the settings menu on the left-hand side and find Google My Business and go ahead and get that connected. Go ahead now and click the Go Back button. The best part about this is now you can engage in real-time conversations. So I'm going to take you here to the conversations area on the left-hand menu. From there, when that upper navigation opens up, you're going to click on conversations. Now you'll be able to find any of your Google Business Profile conversations right inside of conversations. You'll also have access to the chat button in Google Maps or Google. Now customers can initiate real-time chats with your AI bot through Google My Business Chat. How exciting is this? Now I'm going to show you where to access the Conversation AI settings. Again, this is in the main navigation menu on the left side. Make sure that you are still in conversations and within that AI bot. And now scroll down and look for the Set the Advanced settings. You can go ahead and adjust things right here. Make sure you're using autopilot mode for a dynamic and efficient customer interaction. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.